Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing with you how C software enables digital continuity to optimize electrical engineering and manufacturing workflows. Whether you are involved in machine or panel building, you face similar challenge in your industry. It's time to say goodbye to re-entering the same data into different software and welcome digital data continuity. My name is Thierry Bador and I am Product Director at ETAP, where I lead the C product portfolio focused on electrical engineering. Over my 36-year career, I have held various roles in technical support, training, consulting, and pre-sales. This journey has given me the expertise to help customers optimize their engineering and manufacturing processes. As I look back on my 36 years at ETAP, formerly known as IGXAO, I feel a deep sense of pride. It's been interesting to see how electrical engineering challenges have evolved and how we have helped our customers to overcome them. Let's consider one of these challenges. How can we successfully connect all process steps to be fully digital? This is a question we will address in this presentation. We will start by discussing some of the current challenges in electrical engineering. Then I will give you a quick overview of C product. We will explore how C product connects the dots across the entire value chain, bringing together design, engineering, and manufacturing. Additionally, our discussion will highlight the result of this connection, stronger collaboration between mechanical and electrical engineering teams, which is essential for mechatronics by integrating effectively with PLM solutions. Let's start by acknowledging a major challenge we face in electrical engineering. Customer journeys are often fragmented, require extensive coordination and manual works. We live in a world full of silos, and it's time to break them down. Traditionally, different processes have existed in separate worlds. Each step and process may be optimized with its own software tools, but these systems are rarely connected to each other. I will give you an example. Machine and panel were designed digitally. Machine tools were optimized with software. Resource planning was digitized, but we did not connect the data. All the value that could be gained by linking these processes together was lost. Too often we found ourselves re-entering the same data multiple times. This is not only waste time, but also increase the risk of error. So we need to break down those silos and connect the dots. What silo are we looking at? Let me give you a couple of examples. There is a software silo, there is a machine silo, there is a shop floor, there is a top floor, there is a mechanical works, there is an electrical works. These are the type of silos I am talking about. Merging these silos together and eliminating data loss is essential to achieving a truly integrated and efficient workflow. The challenge is to fully exploit all the data generated through digitalizing within each fragmented process. Electrical CAD software forms the cornerstone of the digital twin. Capitalizing on the engineering data created by electrical CAD software becomes fundamental, especially during the production phase. By improving digital continuity in manufacturing, shop floor operation can be carried out faster and more efficiently, avoiding wasted effort from transferring data between documents and creating a feedback loop to continuously improve engineering designs. Digitalization should be more than just a switch from paper to electronic media, or more than just handing over a bill of materials. Believe it or not, even in 2024, many customers I visit still think digitalization means replacing paper with PDF files for communication, while ignoring the rich engineering data created with our software. For those of you who may not be familiar with us, let me introduce you to C software, a vital part of the ETAP product family. C is a comprehensive suite of electrical design software tailored for all types of users, from beginners to experts. Whether you are handling a small project or large-scale industrial design, C offers tools to make you easier and more efficient. C Electrical and C Electrical Expert are intuitive, easy-to-use software solutions for creating electrical schematics. C Electrical offers essential features like bill of material generation and automated wire numberings, while C Electrical Expert provides advanced capability such as multi-user, collaboration, automation, and integration with other engineering systems. Together, they cater to both small-scale tasks and large industrial projects where precision and detailed documentation are critical. C Electrical 3D panel takes your design into 3 dimensions, allowing you to visualize and optimize the layout of electrical panels. It ensures accurate placement and space management before production, reducing errors and improving efficiency. The web catalog features over 1 million electrical parts from product catalogs for more than 300 global manufacturers. Our collection of products is designed to streamline entire electrical engineering process from initial drafting to final documentation. This allows you to automate the creation of electrical wiring diagrams, schematics, and reports, saving your time and reducing errors. On top of that, you can effortlessly generate comprehensive professional documentation from schematics to 2D and 3D cabinet layouts and bill of material. And thanks to the C Digital Connector, your engineering data flow seamlessly through every phase of your project from design to production. We are very much looking forward for serving the needs of new customers. We are seeing an increased demand for streamlined electrical engineering around the world. Now let's focus on the main topic of my presentation. How can we turn digital continuity into value? Currently, schematics and 3D layout are the primary source of the vast data for an electrical installation digital twin. With this almost infinite data stream, we can create infinite opportunity for value. Digital continuity can be applied to many different areas. Let me walk you through a few examples to show you how we help our customer become more efficient. The first example are related to the value chain, the integrated value chain. While in the past we were looking at engineering tasks themselves, now our focus is on how we can optimize the whole value chain. So the question is which information? For example, do we need information from sales, which then is fed into engineering? Or do we need information from engineering to support production and cabinet assembly? This is the first big area where we see more and more companies, more and more customers combining different steps of the value chain to make one streamlined process. Normally, the engineering team starts the interaction with the sales department and arrange a meeting with the salesman from your company to determine which machine or which cabinet to work on or how it should be constructed. There is a lot of information which may be delivered from sales which we can use in the engineering, such as configuration or dimensioning consideration. Many design requirements are predefined during the sales process. For example, you can simply import a list of materials to quickly insert into the engineering project. This could come from a pre-order in the purchasing department, or it may be specified by the owner or generated by a manufacturer configurator, such as Rockwell, Siemens, or Schneider Electric. More intelligently, we offer smarter interfaces with manufacturer configurators, such as the Rockwell Cubic Galaxy or the Schneider Universal Enclosure Configurator, to retrieve configured hardware and accessories and their 3D models ready to be used in C3D panel. You are able to configure products and accessories quickly and easily, including accurate individual information for each item already verified by the manufacturer itself. By connecting with the dimensioning solution, such as Caneco, also in the ETAP family, we allow the transfer of data such as a single-line diagram and circuit information into C to carry out the exhaustive electrical documentation of the installation, adding terminal strips, control and communication schematics, as well as the switchboard layout and the as-built bill of materials. On the other hand, it's important that all the generated data, like bill of material, are available for production planning and the purchasing department. For this reason, there are features provided for pushing the BOM into the ERP system and synchronizing the article database, for example, for recovering the order number from the ERP. We ensure an error-free transfer in order information to your commercial processes. And you are able to link to distributor and manufacturer digital webshop services like Rexel for obtaining immediate information about your individual price, availability in real time for your local branch, and delivery times. The end result, you can place, view, and accept quotations. The next topic of the integrated value chain concerns panel building. We focus now on bridging the gap between engineering and shop floor operation, connecting engineers in the design office and workers in the shop floor, and supporting the current initiative of smart cabinet building. C enhance efficiency and productivity by providing digital data for the production of electrical and control cabinets. Its features support various steps, including device picking, labeling, mechanical processing, pre-assembly of terminal strips, wire prefabrication, panel mounting, and wiring. Our interfaces make digital integration a reality today. This optimizes collaboration between design and manufacturing is key to significantly reduce production times in control cabinet construction. You can build panels with full confidence, as both manual and automated manufacturing processes are supported by the complete digital twin of the enclosure created by your house software. The first example in this area concerns digital continuity to marking and printing systems. Why do I start with this example? Because it's a process with the lowest investment cost in machine purchase, the easiest to digitalize, and therefore the return on investment is the fastest. I have visited panel builders this year who still create marking in a centralized workshop and where operators still read wiring diagram to enter the wire or equipment reference into an Excel spreadsheet or directly into the marking system. We offer a wide range of integration with marking and printing systems that guarantee a much better solution for marking terminals, wires, cables, and devices. As an example, we use the integration with Imprint Pro by Wayne Muller. We also provide interfaces to marking systems of Finished Contact, ABB, Semble, and more. Forwarding component tag data to label printers eliminates the needs for manual entry, sorting, and editing. What about the interfaces for wire processing? C provides the data required for manual or full automatic processing of the wire or cable, including cutting to length, marking, stripping, and crimping. You can provide data to drive semi-automatic cable assembling, like the wiring processor center of Wayne Muller or the Clipix Wire Assist from Finished Contact, or take the data into the fully automated machine process for high volume, like Comax machines or the Invent Hoffman PWA machine. The connection lengths are calculated directly in C3D panel. The contact information is stored with the component. The wire sequence and bundling are transferred directly to the machine. The second example is data continuity with terminal strip assembly solution. One of the most exciting developments in the area comes from leading terminal blocks manufacturers like Wayne Muller and Finished Contact. This company is introducing cutting-edge machines designed to automate the entire process of constructing terminal blocks rails. These new machines are capable of assembling terminal blocks onto rail automatically, a task that used to be manually intensive and time-consuming. The process begins with the construction of the terminal block rail, followed by the precise placement of the blocks onto the rail. This level of automation ensures not only consistency and precision, but also significantly speed up the assembling process. Once the terminal blocks are in place, this machine can automatically mark them with the necessary identifier using advanced printer technology such as laser or thermal transfer. This ensures that each terminal block is clearly and accurately labeled, reducing the risk of miswiring and enhancing the overall safety and reliability of the electrical cabinets. The interest in this automated solution is not limited to just a few early adopters. more and more electrical cabinet manufacturers are recognizing the value of this machine and are beginning to invest in them. In addition to this innovation, Wayne Muller and Phoenix Contact are offering another game-changing service: the delivery of pre-assembled terminal block rails. These rails are fully assembled and marked, ready to be installed directly into electrical cabinets. This service eliminates the need for one-site assembly and marking, further reducing labor cost and production time while ensuring the highest standards of quality and consistency. This product quickly and easily makes the required data available to this new innovation to support the automatic assembly of terminal rails. The last manufacturing step that electrical 3D panel supports is the panel mechanical processing. By providing data for panel drilling and milling, all the necessary machine programs can be created automatically. C3D panel provides input for manufacturing systems such as Advanced Hoffman Center or Rital Perforex. Manual manufacturing is also supported digitally. We can provide, for example, all the data required to optimize the cutting of DIN rails and cable docks to the right length, to invent Hoffman NC Cut or Rital Secarex systems. Finally, to be completely exhaustive, C3D panel helps the bus bar machining and copper processing by providing plans and data for bending, punching, and cutting off copper or aluminum bus bar. Before we conclude, let's jump to a new topic. This topic is mechatronics, which concerns machine builders and OEMs. Mechatronics means that the different engineering disciplines like electrical and control engineering, our key domains, and mechanical engineering, as well as automation, are working together in a way that is significantly more connected than in the past. So we strongly believe and know from the customer experience that there are more efficiency gains, more savings, and better collaboration with these three disciplines work closely together. And I will show you how it helps with this today. This is an important trend. We know that there is much more to come and much to do in future to support mechatronics. First, CLO optimizing the communication between electrical design and the world of PLCs. Incorporating PLC in your electrical project normally represents numerous working hours in terms of creation, modification, and verification. The C electrical and PLC configurator and programming tools data exchange solution will generate and update your I/O schematics automatically and reinject data derived from electrical diagram into the PLC software. C Electrical can connect to Siemens IA Portal, Schneider Electric EcoStruxure Automation Expert, Rockwell Allen Bradley Logix, and more via a generic XLS format. Companies are increasingly seeking PLM solutions to streamline production development processes and manage the entire life cycle of a product, integrating multidiscipline, design, engineering, manufacturing, and maintenance processes to improve collaboration, efficiency, and compliance across an organization. As the XPLM partner, ETAP offers you a standard or customized integration of the electrical engineering into leading PLM systems like Siemens Simcenter, PTC Windshield, or Arras Innovator. Developed by XPLM, the integrated tool platform enables an integrated approach to connect your electrical design workflow to the complete product design ecosystem. This allows cross-discipline collaboration across engineering teams and combine mechanical and electrical data on a single PLM platform. C users are able to access, control, and share electrical documentation within Teamcenter or Windshield without leaving the familiar C environment. Advanced features allow for bidirectional exchange of electrical and mechanical data, management of the bill of materials, as well as synchronization of the electrical product that exists in the PLM article database with those existing in the C catalog, ensuring data consistency in the product lifecycle management. This integrated approach enhances the ability to hit release dates, cost targets, product quality, and feature set goals. Now it's time to conclude. Thank you for watching. You learned that digital continuity in engineering is key to unmatched efficiency and accuracy. At ETAP, we understand the importance of collaboration across various disciplines and companies. We are committed to developing integrated solutions by extending our ecosystem with partners and working together to achieve the full potential of data continuity. So the collection of C software is more than just an ECAD tool. It's a transformative solution that redefines how we approach engineering processes. By ensuring digital data continuity and seamless integration across discipline and system, C empowers you to achieve greater efficiency, improved collaboration, and high-quality outcomes. Our success is also due to the high level of consulting and engineering expertise within our professional services team around the world. This commitment to our customer with tailored solutions and engineering know-how ensure that our tools are used to their full potential. So what's next? I encourage you to explore how C can be integrated into your organization. Start by assessing your current processes and identify areas where digital continuity could make a difference. I invite you to connect with us, exchange ideas, and learn from one another. Together, we can shape the future of electrical engineering and manufacturing. It's part of our vision to build a smarter future. I am excited to see how you will redefine efficiency with your own project. If you have any question or would like to personalize demo, please don't hesitate to reach out.